How to train your dog to play. The most known way is the gentle encouragement method. A food puzzle is a great first toy. He can play with it on his own and he'll be entertained for hours. Leave a couple of toys in his bed in the evenings. You want him to feel like they belong to him. This will all make him feel more comfortable when it comes to playing with them. Encourage him to put it on his mouth and then pull on it. A game of tug-of-war is a great bonding experience. Make sure you always let him win, though. If he loses, he'll quickly give up trying. Reward him with treats throughout play. You need to make him feel as relaxed and happy as possible. If he thinks he'll get a tasty reward for playing, he'll soon be jumping out of his bed in search of a playmate. Always keep it light-hearted, cuddling him and letting him be in charge when you play. If you do this each day, he'll feel more and more at ease, and increasingly eager to play. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share.